Consistency is absolutely key. Folks, today I want to share my insights around consistency. The thing that I've learned to develop in my own business is to be more consistent. I think as a creative, it's something we really struggle with. So what I've discovered is the more consistent you can be, the more systemization you can put in place, the easier your life becomes. We all suffer from the kind of shiny object syndrome, especially as creatives. So you want to put mechanisms in place. You want to put systems in place. Employ a virtual assistant or a team member to help you push some of that consistency into the marketplace. Take these videos, for example. We're pushing out consistent videos across all channels every single day because we built a system and we figured out a way to keep it going. Consistency will trump anything else in your marketing. So think about how you can develop a system to become more consistent. I'll talk to you again soon.